Hi guys, welcome back. Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle in this additional in the yesterday's newspaper of Saturday, July the 8th, 2023. It's today Sunday, and I've already solved three puzzles: the 3-star Sudoku, the 4-star Sudoku, and the binary. So one puzzle is left. The Tectonic with 4 stars. In the evening, I will do this one. The Samurai Sudoku, yeah. But let me continue with this one. This one will be number 6727. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 14 printed digits. Could be an easy one, but it also could be a hard one. But it's indicated with 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle I need 30 minutes or more. That's my time limit, 30 minutes or more. The hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10. Well, we don't know, we will see, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box or boxes is always a 1. I see here only one single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? I see here dual box, there dual box. Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes here. Also the 1 and the 2, 1 and the 2. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? I see here one triple box in this puzzle. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 3. So 1 box left with 3 should be there. So the 1 and the 2 are left. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always a 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5, okay. More triple boxes in this puzzle? No. Then the following question, do we have here quadra boxes then? Let me check for quadra boxes. No quadra boxes in this puzzle. Then the following strategy, my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, let me see. We have this shape. Yeah, let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 4 here. Okay. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No. Then the following shape, how about the... Oh, no, here we have another one. Okay. It's upside down. This box has the same number as that box. Okay. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay. Only one shape. Yeah. Then the following shape, how about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shape? No. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Figure, structure, or construction. Let me draw this here. The L shape, rotated. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 3 here. Okay, so this box has the same number as that box. And then Yeah, this is the last shape. Then the following shape, how about the T shape here? Yeah, let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. So in this case, here it's a 1 or a 2. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 5 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These two boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4. And the 5, we have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here and the 4 goes there. This box can be a 5. This box can be 2. So 2 and a 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a double 2 there. That means that this box cannot be a 2 anymore. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So this box should be a 1. And that box should be a 2. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. 1 box left in this L-shaped area for number 4. Then these two boxes can be a 1. These two boxes can be a 4. So the 1 and 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. This box is connected with that box, so it's a 1 and a 4. But it can't be a 4 anymore. We already have a 4 here in the same area. So this box should be a 1. Is connected with that box, should be also 1. And I've eliminated the 4 here, so the 4 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 3 and the 5. Well, I cannot place the 5 here because we have a double 5 there. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those two boxes. So the 5 should be here. 3 goes there. Alright. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. Well, I cannot place the 2 there because we have a double 2 there. If I place the 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So the 2 is supposed to be here and the 5 goes there. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2 and this box should be a 5. These are 3 boxes. Surround the 1 can be a 1. And that box can be a 1 because we have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So the 1 is supposed to be here. Okay. These two boxes can be 4. That box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be here. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. This box can be a 5. That box can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and a 3. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And a 3 goes there. Then these two boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be there. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1, 2, 3. And the 4, we have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here and a 4 goes there. These are 3 boxes. Surround the 2 can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 4. That box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. This box. Wait. Yeah. These 2 boxes can be 3. That box can be 3, so 1 box left for 3 in this area. Should be there. This box can be a 2. This box can be a 1, so the 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2, so 1 is left in this area for the number 4. Okay. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3. That box can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Shoot me down. Yeah. These 2 boxes can be a 3. That box can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Shoot me down. This box can be a 3, that box can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there. Let me think. Come on. Yeah. Let me think. These 2 boxes surround the 3 can be a 3. That box can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this W area shape. Shoot me down. These 2 boxes can be a 3. That box can be a 3. So the 3 could be there. Well, it's not the solution to place the 3 there. Because if I place the 3 there, this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. But we already have a 3 there. So not the solution to place the 3 there. The only place left for the 3 should be there. And I've eliminated the 2. So the 2 goes there. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 4. Well, it's not the solution to place the 4 there. If I place a 4 here, this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. But we already have a 4 here in this W area shape. So not the solution to place the 4 there. The only place left for the 4 in this area should be here then. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 5 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. This box can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. 1 and a 5, we have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. So 1 digit left in this area for number 4. I think this box should be a 5 because give me 1, give me 2, give me 3, give me 4. Yes, definitely 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 4. Those 2 boxes can be a 4. And this box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. It should be here. Let me think. I think this box should be a 4 because give me 1, give me 2, give me 3. Should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. I think this box should be a 5 because give me 1, give me 2, give me 3, give me 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. Let me mark those. This box can be a 5. This box can be a 3. So 3 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 1. Now we have a 1 there. So this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. This box should be a 2. This box can be 1. This box can be 2. So 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. So 1 digit left in this area for number 5. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 and more. That box should be a 5. And this box should be a 3. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be there. These 2 boxes can be 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be here. This box can be a 1. This box can be a 3. So 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. 1 digit left in this area for number 5. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. And the final 2 numbers in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And 1 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Well. 14 minutes. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. Let me give this a 1 star. And we solve it again, and I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the evening with the last puzzle, yeah, the Samurai Sudoku. This one, tough one. I will try to solve this within an hour. Because that's my goal. Every time I solve a Samurai Sudoku, I need 1 hour and 1 minute, maybe 2 minutes, maybe 3 minutes. So I need to be faster in the beginning. So we will see if I can manage to solve this within an hour. Alright, so have a great and fantastic Sunday. We'll see you in the evening. Until then, bye bye for now.